Ever jumped into a fitness plan with full energy only to quit after a few days? You're probably thinking, yep, that's me. This is not your fault. Today, I'll be showing you exactly why this happens and how you can fix it forever. Stick around because by the end of this video, quitting won't even cross your mind. Hey friends, welcome back. For those who are new to the channel, my name is Dushyant. I work in London as an exercise physiologist, a personal trainer and a nutritionist, and have been working as a health and fitness professional for almost a decade now. So let's get into it. Here's the thing. Most people get into fitness with tons of excitement, but burn out quickly. It happens to everyone, and it's because we have been chasing the wrong thing. Motivation. Motivation is like that unreliable friend who promises to show up but ghosts you at the last second. But don't worry, today you'll discover 5 simple, proven tips to help you build unstoppable consistency. No hype, just real results. You know how it goes. You're super pumped up at the start. You buy new gym gear, download apps, and watch motivational videos. But soon, life gets busy. Your motivation slips and you stop showing up. Here's the truth. Motivation doesn't last, but habits do. Think of it like brushing your teeth. Do you need motivation to brush every morning? You don't, right? Because it's a habit. According to research from University College London, it takes around 66 days to build a new habit. And the first tip is to start really small, like ridiculously small. 10 minutes a day is enough. This builds consistency without overwhelming you. When you skip a workout, you might say things like, I messed up. I'll start again next week. Here's the second tip. Stop aiming for perfection and start shaping your identity instead. Author James Clear says in Atomic Habits that changing your identity is the key to changing your habits. Instead of saying, I'm trying to get fit, start saying, I'm someone who exercises regularly. When you shift your identity, missing one day doesn't mean failure. It just means you pick it back up tomorrow. Ever had that gym membership you rarely use because it was inconvenient? Tip number 3 is to remove friction. Make exercising so easy you can't avoid it. Behavior scientist BJ Fogg suggests tying new habits to activities you already do daily. For example, after you brush your teeth, do 10 squats or push-ups. Keep resistance bands near your bed or yoga mat in your living room. The easier you make starting, the less your brain will argue about it. This brings us to tip number 4. Start celebrating tiny victories. Many people set huge goals like losing 10 kilos or run a marathon. And when results aren't immediate, they feel discouraged. But here's the trick. Reward yourself mentally for tiny wins like completing a 10 minutes workout or choosing water instead of soda. Research shows that these small rewards release dopamine, the feel-good hormone, making you more likely to repeat the behavior. Stack these small wins daily and soon you'll build momentum that's almost impossible to break. Your environment shapes your behavior more than you realize. A Cornell University study found that most people make over 200 food decisions daily, most without even thinking. Use this to your advantage. Tip number 5, set your environment for success. Put workout clothes next to your bed. Keep healthy snacks at your eye level. Hide your TV remote and leave dumbbells in your living room. Your environment should encourage good choices without relying solely on willpower. Let's talk about the hardest part, the moment you feel like quitting. You had a bad day, missed a workout, and now you're thinking, what's the point? This is where having a backup plan is crucial. Here's what you can do. Create a bare minimum workout. Even on your worst days, commit to doing just 5 minutes of simple movements like squats, stretches. It keeps the habit alive. Follow the never miss twice rule. Missed today? Fine. Never let it happen 2 days in a row. This stops one bad day from becoming a bad week or month. Visibly track your progress. Use a calendar, an app, or sticky notes. Visually seeing your progress helps your brain stay committed to continuing the streak. Let me tell you about a friend of mine. They started strong every new year and quit by February every single time. But last year, they tried something new. They applied these 5 tips. Instead of intense workouts, they did 15 minutes daily. Instead of aiming for perfection, they just focused on showing up. When life got messy, they relied on their bare minimum plan. Guess what happened? They didn't quit. They didn't need motivation. They had built habits. Fast forward to 6 months, they ran their first 5K, felt more energetic, and finally stopped calling themselves lazy. Here's why this approach works where motivation fails. You build habits, not hype. You focus on identity, not perfection. You remove obstacles instead of creating them. You reward tiny wins rather than waiting for huge ones. You design your environment to support you effortlessly. Consistency isn't about perfection. It's about keeping the momentum going, even when life gets messy. Starting today, change your mindset. You're not someone who keeps quitting. You're someone who exercises consistently. Embrace imperfection and simplicity, because real success comes from daily, manageable actions, not intense but short-lived bursts of motivation. Now you have learned why you quit and exactly how to break that cycle. The secret to staying consistent is not relying on motivation, but building habits that feel effortless. Consistency isn't flashy or exciting, but it's life-changing. If you found this video helpful, like it, share it, and leave a comment below. And if you want a customized health or fitness plan that actually works around your life, visit me at www.dushyantoma.com and book a free consultation with me. Thanks for watching. Keep pushing. Don't quit. And I'll see you in the next one.